Hey guys, welcome back. Steve, Almetal Driving, almetalDriving.com. Working on some apartment buildings today. Dryer taking 4 to 5 cycles. 4 to 5 cycles. Now we are working. Let me see if I can do it from this angle. We're working right up there, but I'll show you more in a minute. Sorry I'm being so quiet inside there, guys. It's because we're in a college place, right? And if you know anything about college, better learn them tests, bud. So that's why I'm being quiet inside, but we're gonna get to it. All right, just so y'all can see, and I'm gonna climb up there and show you. You can't see from here. All right, so look, guys. So 4 and 5 cycles will get you. And oh my gosh. I was expecting more, honestly, but that right there was one of the problems. All right, so you know what to do now. Let's go turn the dryer on. All right, let's check it out. So around 7, 8. All right, let's see if we can make it better. Ooh. Yeah, so right there's the elbow. And if you remember, we're not going very far down into the room. We're only going about 2 feet below the ceiling. gonna do the same thing again. Yep, so there's the elbow. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I'd say it was time. All right, and just to put that in perspective, guys, you got to clean these dryer vents, especially, excuse me, you got to clean them, especially in these multi-family complexes. I mean, we have to, guys. Pay attention. All right, so now again, guys, I'm not gonna be loud inside of there. We got people trying to take finals, all that kind of stuff. So you'll see, I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna turn the machine back on, turn the machine off, put everything back together. Pretty simple. This is another one. There's no need to take that door off. I know that my brush went from the outside all the way in, through the elbow and back down. Let's see what we're working with here. Not bad. Not bad, guys. For God's sakes, guys, remember, clean up your mess. I got something to do here. That's what gets you the most customers, man. Just clean it up. Leave it better than you found it. All right, guys, as always, I appreciate you tuning in. If you'd like to subscribe, I welcome you. The channel is growing so fast, I can't believe it. And I appreciate it. I owe it all to you guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Have any questions, let me know what they are. Hopefully this turned out good and I can make a video out of it. If not, then I can't. See you on the next one.